Okay, so I really just got a bunch of drone brood up in there. I got one frame that's got a little bit of brood. So I'm gonna look in the second box. This is still from the top box, or the top brood box. I'm gonna clean this out, but look here. So I'm looking to see if I see any red on this larva here. I don't see any. I'm cleaning this up. The frames above it were stuck pretty good. So let's pick all this junk up here. Blow a little smoke. These guys are, yesterday they weren't so bad. They don't want to be bothered on Mother's Day, that's the thing. So I'm going to take this in frame off right here and make sure I don't have a queen on there. Looking for that queen. All right, this will be a good one. Some foundation for them to lay, and some resources on the side. Let me find some drone. I mean some brood. I see drone up there. There we go. That's better. That's a good sheet on both sides there. That big propolis. I'm just looking for the queen. She typically wouldn't be on the